Capture sharp, cinematic images from the heavens with the best drones. Landing the right one requires careful research and consideration of your specific needs and budget. But in a vast sky of models, some have proven to be better than others. Your ideal drone choice is determined by skill level and budget, of course, but the top options still need to tick a few vital things off the list, including being easy and seamless to fly, as well as automated modes for stable yet creative shooting. We have listed the top 6 drones and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 6. DJI Air 2S. With its large 1-inch image sensor, the DJI Air 2S is able to take great looking photos and videos from the sky. It'll shoot video at up to 5.4K resolution, while still images can be taken in DNG RAW format at up to 20 megapixels. The drone has a variety of intelligent flight modes too that makes it particularly easy to capture cinematic footage even when you're out hiking by yourself, including a mode that follows you as you walk through the hills and a mode that automatically circles a point of interest. One thing it doesn't do is flip the camera over to let you shoot in portrait orientation. That's a shame, as it means that capturing vertical video for TikTok or Instagram Reels is more difficult, as you'll need to crop your video down in the middle, losing a lot of resolution in the process. If that's a priority for you, look towards DJI's Mini 3 Pro. It's as easy to fly as others in the DJI range, and it has a range of obstacle sensors to help keep it in the air and avoid it plowing headlong into a tree or a wall. Its maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes is solid for a drone of this size, but it can be bought with a bundle of extra batteries for those of you that want to capture more footage from the sky. Its folding design makes it quite easy to fit into a photography backpack, but it's physically larger and heavier than DJI's Mini range, so keep that in mind if you're after the lightest model to take on your travels. But its combination of flight time, automated flying modes, and excellent image quality make it a superb all-rounder that's well worth considering. Number 5. Autel Evo Lite Plus. If you're looking for the perfect balance of price, features, and camera performance, the Autel Evo Lite Plus could be the perfect drone for you. This versatile UAV features a 20 megapixel 1-inch sensor in a camera with an equivalent focal length of 29mm and an adjustable f/2.8 to f/11 aperture, which is ideal for controlling exposure when shooting video. Photos can be captured in JPEG and RAW, while video can be captured in standard and log color in 5.4K up to 30 fps, 4K up to 60 fps, 2.7K up to 60 fps, and HD up to 120 fps. Image quality for both photos and videos is excellent, with aperture settings between f/2.8 to f/5.6 providing the sharpest results before diffraction kicks in and reduces overall image sharpness. Flight times are advertised at up to 40 minutes thanks to the high-capacity 6175 mAh flight batteries, and with speeds of up to 40 miles per hour possible and level 7 wind resistance, the Lite Plus performs well in a wide range of conditions. Plus, features including obstacle avoidance and GPS positioning make it incredibly easy and indeed safe to fly the drone. The Lite Plus features a folding design that makes it much more compact for transportation and storage. Folded, the drone is 210 by 123 by 95mm and 427 by 384 by 95mm unfolded, alongside a weight of 835 grams. It's not the smallest or lightest drone available, but the trade-off here is improved image quality, more advanced camera functionality, and more power. Available in 2 kits, the Lite Plus standard bundle includes the drone, 1 battery, a controller, and other useful accessories which cost $1,379. While the premium bundle offers everything in the standard bundle, but also includes 2 additional batteries, extra spare propellers, an ND filter set, a 3-battery charging hub, and a shoulder bag which cost $1,679. Number 4. DJI Mini 2. DJI defined compact quality camera drones as something which could appeal to and be understood by everyday consumers in the Mavic in 2016, but price and more recently weight limits kept some consumers away. Drones over 250 grams now require registration and a small fee in most countries. The Mavic Mini solved the weight issue in 2019, but the latest Mini 2 has taken that already miraculous design and souped it up so it can now attract more serious users too. The airframe is stunningly light, yet is also the charger, so that's one less thing when traveling light. It feels strong, and the camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal that absorbs nearly all twists and turns in flight and can be tilted smoothly. Control is simple. Via the excellent Now remote, the range is no longer a worry, and the controller's battery can even top your phone up too. Video is better in 4K and 1000 megabits per second, or vloggers happy with 1080p might be more interested in the useful digital zoom. The automated quick shots are also very handy. Beginners can look like pro pilots and get dramatic video. Still, photos are excellent for the price, though can be a little noisy in anything less than good light. Having the option to process in RAW and shoot auto-exposure bracketed shots plus automated panoramas are features that would please a serious user, while the DJI app is easy to get grips with and has handy sharing tools with useful image processing features. In fact, with a 12-megapixel camera and 4K video, your creations will easily mix with those from a high-end smartphone. Number 3. DJI Avata. If you've been on Instagram or TikTok recently, then you'll almost certainly have seen exhilarating videos of similar FPV drones flying through bowling alleys, factories, or doing other incredible aerial maneuvers. To achieve that, FPV pilots wear headsets that let them see through the eyes of the drone, navigating those twisting turns and zooming through tight gaps as if they're behind the controls and up in the air. And that's exactly how you'll fly the Avata, with a set of DJI FPV goggles that give you a view directly from the drone's perspective. It's an exhilarating way of flying, as it really feels like you're up in the air controlling the drone from behind a steering wheel. It's a more extreme way of flying than you'll get from more typical drones like the Air 2S, with more instant controls and faster speeds. The upside is that you get fast and exciting footage of your drone speeding through forest or through impossibly small obstacles which you simply can't achieve with other drones on this list. The downside is that the first-person perspective can make you quite nauseous, particularly if you suffer at all from motion sickness. I found I could manage 5 to 10 minutes of flying at a time before needing an extended break. The nature of wearing the goggles also means you're unable to see around you, which makes it more difficult to spot any incoming dangers, such as rescue helicopters. As such, you're legally obliged in many areas to have a spotter next to you keeping an eye out on your behalf as you race your drone around the sky. The Avata is smaller and lighter than DJI's first FPV drone and has built-in guards around its propellers which allow it to bump into walls, trees, or other obstacles without necessarily being taken out of the air. Its 4K 60 frames per second video looks great, and it's easy to fly using the DJI motion controller, which lets you simply maneuver the drone based on your hand movements. You'll see a crosshair in your view that moves around when you move the controller. Wherever you point the crosshair, the drone will follow. It's simple, point-and-click way of flying that I really enjoyed. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. If you're a professional photographer or videographer looking for the highest possible image quality in a portable and lightweight drone, then look no further than the DJI Mavic 3. This drone features a dual camera with a large 4/3 20-megapixel sensor and adjustable aperture in the main camera, offering excellent image quality for stills and video. With video possible at up to 5.1K in standard and RAW formats, stills in RAW and JPEG format, and other advanced features, it's a drone that's aimed at professionals. The Mavic 3's second camera is much more limited, however, and can only shoot images in JPEG and standard video at 4K 30fps in auto mode, but it does offer a hybrid zoom of up to 24 times. The Mavic 3 features a folding design for easy transportation, and two models available weigh 895 grams and 899 grams. The standard model provides 8GB of internal storage, while the more expensive and slightly heavier Sign model includes an internal 1TB SSD with support for Apple ProRes 422HG video recording. Both models also feature a microSD card slot to expand onboard storage. This drone is DJI's flagship consumer model and provides up to 46 minutes of flight time with several incredibly useful safety features on offer. The Mavic 3 uses multi-vision sensors to sense obstacles, as well as the Advanced Pilot Assistance System 5.0, which uses 6 fisheye sensors and 2 wide-angle sensors to sense obstacles in all directions. When enabled, the drone can be set to fly autonomously around obstacles when detected or to brake. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the most powerful and, in our book, best compact drone you can buy. It has a premium price tag, but the Mini 3 Pro is a huge upgrade on the Mini 2, if you can justify the extra cost. For the money, you get a far superior camera, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a range of features that you'd normally only find on larger drones. In our test, the Mini 3 Pro's 12.1 megapixel 1 by 1.3 inch sensor produced excellent image quality with impressive high ISO handling. You'll find very little noise all the way up to the maximum ISO 6400, while the combination of a bright f/1.7 lens and dual native ISO tech means low light performance is impressive for such a small drone. The drone's tri-directional obstacle avoidance worked well during testing, and we particularly liked its ability to shoot in portrait without cropping. If you can stretch to the new DJI RC controller, that's the best backpack-friendly bundle for aerial photography and video, bar none. So, that wraps up our list of the best drones. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Let us know in the comments down below which drone you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.